William, what do you want?
Cheese.
What do you want from the freezer?
Cheese.
What's in the freezer?
Happy.
What's in the freezer? What are you looking for?
Yeah.
What do you want out of there? What is it? What do you want? What's back there? William, what is it that you want? Huh? What is it? Can you look at me and say that? Say, popsicle, please. Popsicle, please. Popsicle? Okay. Okay, one more time.
Huh?
What would you like?
Ice.
Ice? But what do you want to eat? Popsicle? No.